What's up, everybody? Slim William Games here, and I'm going to show you guys how to install and play the Stunt part for Menyoo. Okay, now guys, this mod is awesome. I already downloaded it. You already know, guys. I'm going to show you everything that I already worked on, and not going to BS you with something that I don't know what the hell I'm doing. All right. Now, this is the Menyoo Stunt part. So this is how, if you ever go on YouTube, Facebook, see everybody playing these ramps and stuff, doing all these tricks and stuff with big ass ramps and stuff. This is it, the Menyoo Stunt part. And guys, this is freaking awesome, guys. Okay, guys, I'm gonna need a like and I'm gonna need a follow. Okay, don't hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Okay, guys, as I drop these videos out to your mama. Well, it ain't going to her, it's going to you guys. Okay, but your mama can watch it if she wants. All right. Now, hope you guys enjoying your Monday. I know some of you got to work today. Most of you guys, some of you quarantine. Man, I just hope you guys enjoying the day. I hope you guys are keeping your minds healthy and fresh, man. Man, look how awesome this park is going to be, dude. This is going to be awesome. And guys, I'm going to show you a trick as well. Okay, I can't wait to show you guys. Okay, this is awesome, guys. This is freaking awesome. You guys are going to love this part. It's so much fun. I was shocked when I played it. I'm like, man, this is pretty awesome. I mean, well, no videos available, but we're going to still
Now we got Young Chop.
okay, my bad. Yeah. All right. This is my YouTube gaming channel. You guys can come here. Don't forget to hit that like button. I want to thank everyone who subscribed to the channel. I do tutorials, gameplays, stuff like that. I just installed a tutorial just now showing you guys how to install your Moonlight penthouse. So if you guys haven't checked that video out, please check that video out, guys. You're going to love the penthouse. Helicopters, cars, jets. I mean, you name it. It's a huge party. It's a big ass mansion. You guys are going to love it. Check that video out, and I'm showing you guys how to install that as well. I also do Red Dead Redemption installs. So if you guys want to know how to install Red Dead mods as well, other mods and stuff, just go to the channel, like and subscribe. Just the channel right here, and you guys will enjoy it. Okay, now I'm going to stop talking. Well, I'm not going to stop talking. I'm going to show you guys how to install the Menyoo mod. First things first, you got to install Menyoo. So before you install all of this, you first going to need Script Hook 5. Okay, for any of this to work. Now, what you want to do is go to download. We're going to download Script Hook 5 first, okay? You want to go to Open File, minimize that, and you're going to need to go to your Grand Theft Auto 5 directory. Now, guys, you should by now know how to use your Grand Theft Auto 5 directory by now. Mine is on the Steam app. So you go to Steam, Properties, Local Files, Browse Local Files, okay? You guys should know how to use your stuff by now. If not, go to your settings, go into systems, and you'll find your GTA 5 main directory if you do not have it on Steam. All right. So what you want to do is go to bin. You want to highlight all three of these. You want to come down here to the middle. You want to drag 1, 2, 3, and drop. Once again, drag 1, 2, 3, drop. I'm not going to install it because I already got it. Okay. You want to next thing you want to go to scripthook.net. Go to download, and you want to go to download zip right here. Download scripthook5.net v.0.3. Shit. All right. What you want to do is you want to hit your console key at the bottom. You want to go to 1, 2, 3. You're going to need 3 of these, okay? 1, 2, 3. You want to drag 1, 2, 3, and drop. Okay? Easy. Now, once you drag and drop that, You want to, let's see, that. You want to go to your Menyoo mod, okay? Go to download. You first going to need to install Menyoo before you do the Menyoo Stunt Park, okay? You want to go to download. You want to go right here. You want to go to right here. You want to go to Menyoo PC 1.3.0, okay? You want to go to Menyoo.zip. And for guys, if you don't know how to use Menyoo, I'm going to do a video showing you guys how to actually use Menyoo, because I was kind of confused at first how to use it, but I'm going to show you a video how to use it in another video, okay? This is just going to show you how to use the stunt park and stuff like that. All right, so what you want to do, guys, you want to go to right here. You want to hit your circle. I don't know how you say it. I don't know if it's your circle key, your console key, whatever. You want to hit Menyoo stuff and Menyoo ASI, okay? You want to drag both of these. 1, 2, 3, drop. Okay? 1, 2, 3, drop. Now, once you do that, see, mine is right here. What you want to do is, once you download Menyoo, you're going to download the Menyoo Stunt part right here. All right? You want to go to download, open file, and what you want to do, guys, you want to go to your Menyoo stuff. You want to go to Spooner, and right here, Stunt part. You see, I already got mine, Stunt part. You want to drag 1, 2, 3, and drop. That's it, okay? Now, once you guys do that, once you follow the steps, you want to exit out. And what we're going to do is we're going to launch our GTA 5, and I'm going to see you guys in the game showing you how to use the stunt part. You guys are going to love it. See you soon. All right, guys. Now, once you guys are here, what you're going to do is, you want to press F8, okay? Now, it's going to make that noise. Once you press F8 again, it's going to pop up. You can use your controller or your up and down pad on the keys and just press enter, okay? But what you want to do is you want to go to Object Spooner. You want to go to Manage Save Files. And you want to go to Stunt Part, okay? Now, once I told you guys in my last video I did Moonlight Penthouse. You can just go here and install your not install, but log into your Menyoo Penthouse. But your Stunt Part, you're just going to go here, press A, and you want to go to Load Placement. And it's going to launch yourself into the Menyoo Stunt Part. Alright, guys, you are now in your Menyoo Stunt Part. What you want to do is you want to walk this way. Now, guys, this is awesome, right? Look at all these, look at these fast ass, badass cars, man. These cars are freaking insane. This is your Menyoo Stunt Part. This is the cars you use. Now, guys, of course, you can use other things. If you don't want to use these cars, dude, look at this. It's like a freaking theme park, man. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. And you can come here. This is your stunt part. Now, if you want to use a different car, what you go press F8, go back. You can go to vehicle options, vehicle spawner. You can just go to so if you wanna, I guess you're gonna need a stunt bike. You don't have to pick those type of cars. You can just get, you know, another bike right here. I'm trying to find. Here it is. So, and you can just, oh, that's going off the damn ramp. Yeah, it's kind of intense, guys. There's a lot, so you just gotta just, you know, I'll be honest with you, I don't really know how to do these type of stunts, but I'm just gonna try, okay? So it's a lot, guys. You can just do however you want to do. See, see, I suck, guys. I suck, guys. I'm gonna be honest with you. I suck. I gotta get myself some more speed. I told you guys this is intimidating, and this is just part of it, guys. You see. No. See, I suck, guys. I told you. Let me see if I can go somewhere else. Might need a faster damn bike. Let me try it. Let me go over here. Let me make sure also I'm in God mode so I won't die. Let's see. Player option. I need to make sure I'm in God mode. Invincibility. Okay. So I should be fine. I shouldn't die. Let me see if I can do this, guys. Oh, shit. There it is. I'm dying, guys. There's the ramp. Oh, this is bad. This is bad. This is bad.
Something don't feel too good.
Yeah, this is bad. Alright, yeah. Okay, guys. Yeah, I died. So, alright, now, if you die, I believe you just gotta load yourself back in. Now, sometimes it may crash, sometimes it don't. I believe this is in the industrial area or the dock. Let me see where I'm at. Okay, so this is over by the docks. So yeah, stunt part. Okay, yeah. So all you gotta do, guys, if you die, is, you know what? Don't worry about loading yourself back in. If you die, because that may crash on you, so to keep from crashing, just go to stunt part right here, and it will take you right here. Bug Star Pest Control. What? What? You want smoke? Huh? Huh? You want problem? You sure? What? Yeah, sucker. Anyway. Yeah, so don't worry about loading. So if you die, don't worry about loading back in. All you gotta do is go to stunt part. It depends on where you die at. It may be a far drive, but I wouldn't try to load it back in through here because it may crash. So just don't reload it back in because it may crash on you. So to keep from crashing, all you got to do is just drive back to the stunt part, and that'll make it like, guys, look at this, a lot easier. Dude, look at this, guys. Come on, y'all. Guys, I want to show you something that is going to freak you out. So what you can do is, I don't know if this is going to work or not. Go to vehicle options, spawn vehicle. So it's certain vehicles you can get. Well, it's all vehicles you can get. All these vehicles are available. It's a RC car you can get. I want to see if I can find it. It's an RC car. It's a tiny little RC car, guys. I don't know if I'll be able to find it. I mean, all sorts of vehicles. I mean, all sorts of cars, man. I want to find the RC car. Rat trap. Trying to find the damn. Well, you can use ATVs, so I don't think I can find an RC car, and I ain't about to see him bug you guys, bore you guys. Oh!
This don't make no fucking sense.
Oh! Ah! I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Come on. Come on, Franklin. Ugh. Come on, Frank. Come on, Franklin. There we go. So, man, I love this mod, man. You can use... Let me make sure we're on invincibility. Go to player options. Okay, we're on invincibility. I want to make sure. Do you think I can hit this guy? First person. Damn. I need something powerful. This ain't enough. Oh, look at this, guys.
What the fuck?
Oh, damn. I need something. I need like a bite. You know what? I need like a damn bite. Let's see. Vehicle options. Oh, you can get vehicle weapons. You can get guns. Oh, snap. Vehicle spawner. I really want to show you guys the damn RC car. Give me a second, guys. I'm sorry for this video being long-winded. Trying to find... It's in here somewhere, man. It's an RC car, man. That is hilarious. Got the Batman on y'all ass. Trying to find it, guys. Give me a quick second. Trying to find it. Trying to find it. Man, there's a lot of cars out here. Monster truck. The hell? The monster truck helicopter. The monster truck boat. Bruh. A cow car. Ah! I got it. Bruh, let me get off this. This is hilarious. Look at this monster truck, guys. Oh, this is so awesome. This is so freaking cool, man. This is so cool. Let me see if I can go up this ramp with this. I probably won't. Uh-oh. What's up here? Oh, snap.
Hey, screw this.
This is awesome, y'all. Ah! Come on, man. This is cool. That's pretty cool. All right, one last thing before I go, guys. One last thing. I gotta see if I can find that damn RC car. Okay. We're gonna go to vehicle options, spawn vehicles. What? Motorcycles, bikes, helicopters, boats, other. I don't want no damn boat. I don't want no helicopter. I don't want no damn plane. I don't want no damn super bike. Don't want no damn train. Let's see, guys. Let's see. The Dodger. Let's see. Come on, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Matter of fact, wait a minute. Tow truck, trailer. Thrustmaster. Ugh, this is so aggravating. I cannot find the damn RC car. Guys, it's an RC car that is crazy. It's in here somewhere because I played with it earlier. I just don't know where it's at. And it's pissing me off that I cannot find it. And I do not want to sit here and bore you guys with this. Oh man, this is bothering me. Well, there it is. Here it is. Here it is. Look at this, guys. This is it. Come on, man. This is freaking awesome, y'all. This is the car. Ah!
Crap.
Come on, man. Look how cool this is. I don't know if I'll be able to get out. Ah! Guys, come on. This is awesome, man. You guys, come on, man. You can be a damn RC car in this damn game. Okay, I'm stuck. You could be a damn RC car. Now, if you guys need help getting out, if you're stuck in this, all you gotta do is go to, it's gonna be the last thing I'm gonna show you guys. Cause I love this mod, man. I'm sorry. I love this freaking mod. This whole Menyoo mod is crazy. All right, go to vehicle options, spawn vehicle. So if you want to get out or whatnot, all you gotta do is go to helicopter. You should be able to get the jetpack. Cause I just don't want no regular helicopter plane. I want to get the jetpack. Where is it? Where is it? Where's my damn jetpack? That's the boat. I need my jetpack. No, I need my jetpack. You know what? This'll do. This'll do. This will freaking do. Come on, man. I was gonna get my jetpack, but I don't need my jetpack. I'll use this instead. Come on, y'all. Don't play with me. I will use my jetpack, but I'll use this instead. No big deal. I don't feel like looking for my jetpack. I'll use this instead. Come on, y'all. Y'all, look how high this thing is, man. This is ridiculous, man. Hit that like button, that subscribe button, guys. Come on, y'all. Hit that like button and subscribe button. I would get my jetpack out, but I'll use this instead. Alright, guys. This is going to be it for the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's go up here real quick before I go. I want to go up here real quick. I believe. And you can shoot. Come on, man. I believe you can shoot rockets out of this too if you upgrade it. I just want to go up here and see how high this thing is. Come on, guys. Is this cheating, by the way? Come on, man. Yo, this thing goes this high. Look how high this thing goes, man. Look how freaking high this thing goes. This is where we originally was in the beginning. Look how high. Look how high we are. Look how high we are, guys. Stay still, bite. This is how high. This is how high we are. This is how high we are, guys. Vehicle options, spawn vehicle. I have no. I need to start saving my vehicles, man, so I can. That way, I ain't gotta freaking look for them every 5 minutes. Cause I'm trying to find my damn jetpack, but I have no idea what my damn jetpack is. I do not know what my jetpack is. I lost my jetpack. I mean, they just got awesome, awesome cars, man. And even though these cars says no preview available, you're still in one, okay? So don't think when it says no previews available, that car's not available. Where is my damn... Dude, this is why I gotta save my vehicles, because I cannot find my damn jetpack. It's so aggravating. Coupe. Muscle. My jetpack got to be on here somewhere, guys. I'm not leaving until I get my jetpack. Come on. Where is my jetpack? I want my jetpack. Yo, that's nice. Look at the dune buggy. Where is my jetpack? RC. We did the RC. Okay. SUVs. I doubt the jetpack will be in the SUVs, but where is the damn jetpack? Okay, alright, vans. It's not gonna be in the damn vans. I'm gonna look anyway. service. I mean, dude, this mod just got so much, man. This mod is incredible. Whoever created this mod, man, yo, shout out to you. Because this mod is freaking incredible. Jetpack. Jetpack. Say it with me, guys. Jetpack. There it is. Oh, God. It's called the thruster. Alright, guys. I'm out. This is all I wanted. Oh, shit. I can't drive. Turn. Thought I can shoot out of here. Alright, guys. Slim William Games, baby. I'm out. Peace.